Okay, we're gonna go to get our crank prepared for the to drop it in. So we're gonna take the right side crank seal, and I'm gonna take, nope, not that. Take some caster, and I'm just gonna pour it around the inside of the seal, and just roll it around until it's all the way around. Be sure both of the lip seals are good and wet, and we're gonna slide it on. And the way that I put these on is there's little triangular markings in there. I don't know if you can see them. I always put those towards the inside because that's how the other side goes. So just slide it on right against the bearing. We'll spin this crank around so we can get the primary gear seal keyway on. Just spin this to where the keyway is up top. Hopefully this primary gear goes on nice and easily like it should. You grab the key real quick. We have the seal here. So we're going to go ahead and do the same thing with this. We're going to just put some oil on the inside. Roll it till the oil makes the trip all the way around. Be sure the lip seals are nice and moist. Now this one, see these notches like I was saying on the other side, they face the inside. So you're going to put it on the bearing, on the primary gear. Just like this. Twist it, push it in. And then you're going to take a little bit of your good old Yamaha Bond, and you're going to put some in the keyway on the crank. Just like that. It doesn't have to be a big gob. This is where it gets nice and messy, but it's okay. Set our keyway in, trying to make a mess. So much for no mess. Okay, try to put that keyway on there, and then we're going to go ahead and slide the primary gear on. And sometimes you make a mess doing this, and that's okay. Hold this gear down, line up the keyway, and boom, it'll press right on there. Then we're going to go ahead and take our water pump gear, put it onto the crank, and the primary gear nut just to hold it in place. We just can't forget to torque this. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get everything set in the case.